6 minutes, not intense but effective. Pilates style that ends before you sweat. Amazing changes in just 6 minutes every day. First, hug your knees and round your back. Keep this posture with your hips firmly on the floor. Exercise while keeping this hip shape. Exhale and let your belly sink in. Bend your hips and press them to the floor. Is your lower back arched and floating off the floor? As you exhale, let your belly in and keep your hips rounded. Relax your hip joint. Punch diagonally while exhaling. It feels like holding down the open ribs and tightening. Extend your legs, knees, and ankles, and move them up and to the side. Squeeze your ribs while exhaling. Even if your legs don't move well at first, it's okay as long as you get used to it. I also use the iliopsoas muscles that press the lower abdomen in. Your forearms may get tired at first, but day by day, imagine raising your legs by contracting your abdominal muscles instead of using your knees. The other side too. Squeeze your ribs while exhaling deeply. Seriously tighten the ribs. By training those muscles and adjusting the position of the ribs, the waist curve changes dramatically. Be conscious of lifting your legs with your abdominal muscles, not your knees. Let's arrange this common Pilates basics like this for those in their 50s who have weak abdominal muscles and neck pain. Lift your neck with one arm and move your knees around, while alternating arms. The inner muscle of the trunk plays an active role in balancing the moving body while shaking it unstably. Don't arch your back and lift off the floor. While exhaling, dent your stomach and press your lower back to the floor. On the next move, while keeping your hips on the floor, lower your legs as far as you can go without changing the shape of your hips. Holding one knee firmly supports the lower back so that it does not bend and float. One hand up the neck. Try it if you can lower your legs further without lifting your hips. Change the hand that lifts your neck. It is an exercise that turns the upper body and legs in the opposite direction. Even small movements are fine at first, so try your best. Keep your legs together and straighten them out and move them like a metronome. Move your upper body in the opposite direction of your legs. While exhaling, let your belly sink in. Squeeze your ribs while exhaling. No need to rush, move carefully and firmly at your own pace. Bending your knees or moving your legs apart will reduce the effectiveness. Do your best and keep your legs together and stretched out. You're almost there. Tighten your belly and ribs while exhaling. The last one is the pelvic adjustment. Get rid of excess fat on your stomach and waist, as well as excess fat on your hips and thighs. Standing on feet in ballet fourth position. The pelvis and the navel are directly in front. Correct your posture so that your buttocks do not protrude backward. Carefully and firmly rotate your waist twice. The angle that makes it difficult to turn is the distortion of your pelvis. Continue to adjust so that it can be turned smoothly little by little. Open your hips fully forward so that they do not bend. Change your legs to the other side. The navel and pelvis are directly in front so that the body does not twist. Carefully and firmly rotate your waist twice. Is there a difference in how the movement is stuck previous side? Distortion of the pelvis adversely affects posture and is the source of whole body fatigue. In addition, it can cause ugly fat on your stomach, hips, and thighs. It is important to reset the pelvic misalignment every day. I feel the most stuck in the counterclockwise rotation in this left foot front position. What about you? Let me know in the comments.